Prophet ﷺ said that one among the people of hell who had led a life of ease and plenty from the people of the world would be made to be dipped in the fire only once on the day of resurrection. Then it will be said to him, O son of Adam, did you find any comfort? Did you happen to get any material blessing? He would say, by Allah, no, my Lord. And then that person from among the people of the world will be brought, who had led the most miserable life in this world. And he will be of the people of Jannah, and he would be made to be dipped once in Jannah. It would be said to him, O son of Adam, did you face any hardship or have any distress fallen to you? And he would say, by Allah, no. O my Lord, never did I face any hardship or experience any distress. Just one dip in hellfire makes one forget the lifelong pleasures that one had. So imagine being there for a period of time when a day is equivalent to years, and there is no respite, with fire from all sides. So stay away from things that are haram as much as possible. As for those who have fallen into sins, repent, and Allah is the oft forgiving, the ever merciful.